Okay, well, next on the bench we got this. It's a home-built linear. I do not like to see an oil-filled capacitor on its side, and I don't see any dropping resistors, or I mean not dropping resistors, but bleeder resistors. That makes it dangerous. I don't like the way this is built at all. What I want to see is this in another case, along with these capacitors. Then what I want to see is this top part removed. You won't need it. Yeah, you get way better cooling without that. So I'm gonna make you this little video here for next on the bench, and then we're gonna upload this and see what the owner wants to do. I kind of don't want to work on it in its current state, so catch me after a bit. Psychotech Labs signing off for now.